Welcome to
Learner
Days! Okay, this is so cool.
Yeah,
This is our first ever episode for YouTube channel. Take that.
Yes! And it's in line with the upcoming Lantern Parade and
Operation Run!
so thanks, what can you say about it?
Oh, yeah, it's so yuppie, and that's all. You'll see nothing but sort of walking naked man. That's all. That's not so special.
You're not expecting anything
Oh,
malicious.
No, I can't expect. Last time I saw them, they're awful.
How about you, Myra?
Well, maybe we can ask other people,
Yes,
I think.
let's ask our first guest here. We have Miss Bea Malveda.
So, Bea, what can you say about the upcoming Lantern Parade and Operation Run? Exciting.
Wow, why is it exciting?
Why is it exciting?
Why is it Operation? Oh, you're afraid. First time of seeing what?
To see.
I don't plan to finish.
Hey, you're such a loser.
She's such a liar. Let's interview Ivan.
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 So what can you say about... Okay. So Ivan, what can you say about the Lantern Parade and Operation Run? OMG!
Hey, say something.
It's awesome. Oh my God, it's awesome.
Oh my God!
Let's interview Charlie again.
Charlie!
What are you expecting to see in the Operation Run?
Nothing. I just want to see Angry Birds!
And Mark.
What can you say about the Lantern Parade and Operation Run? Are you excited?
I'm speechless.
Oh my God!
Everyone.
Well, how about you? What can you say about the Lantern Parade and Operation Run?
It's uniquely UP and it makes me proud to be a UP student.
Yeah!
Take note of that.
Whatever.
Take note of that. Hi, Ryan Rain. What can you say about the UP Lantern Parade and Operation Run?
Sorry, what?
What are you expecting?
I'm expecting happy people and Angry Birds.
Angry Birds Part 2.
Yeah!
Hello, Ates and Kuya. What do you expect for the Lantern Parade and Operation Run? Oh, they're so excited they can say anything.
So let's
hear it.
What can you say about the upcoming Lantern Parade and Operation Run?
Well, I'm sort of excited. Pero kasi it's been a tradition, so I'm looking forward to it. What's wrong with you guys?
That's a serious answer.
Yeah, that's his answer.
Okay, go back to studio! Okay. Hi!
Game next.
What?
And
That's it for today.
See us again on the next episode of
Learner.
Sorry sa ayan.
BJ 120.